So Asus has already confirmed it will no longer make smartphones. Yeah, no more ROG Phone or Zenfone. But this does not apply to the tablets. And just now, a big leak revealed the upcoming Asus Pad with some high quality renders and some of its exciting key details. So let's roll the intro. So looking at the tablet, the first noticeable thing is the reasonably slim and symmetrical bezels for a tablet, giving it a premium look. The front camera will be given inside the bezel. On the rear, there is a square-shaped camera island with a single camera lens and a flashlight. As we can see, there will also be a party case that can be used for different view angles. Further, the tablet seems to have a metal frame and rounded edges which will give a comfortable grip. With images, we guess it will be a thin device which is said to be 6.5mm thick and around 523 grams. I would say decent numbers. Now, as a whole, it looks like a big size tablet. And per the rumors, it will be a 12.1 inches screen with a 144Hz refresh rate. So nothing special, right? However, it is said to be a dual layer OLED panel, aka a tandem OLED display, which is an ultra rare thing, not just for tablets but also for smartphones. Now, curious why it's a big deal? So in a dual layer OLED display, two OLED emission layers are stacked on top of each other instead of a single one, which is being used in tablets like the Galaxy Tab S11 series. So with this dual layer design, the panel offers better colors and a noticeably brighter screen, since there are two layers emitting light. And because of two layers, each layer has to work less hard for the same brightness, which increases the lifespan and battery efficiency. Of course, it is expensive compared to traditional OLED panels, which is why it's not very common. So will be interesting to see how well Asus Pad go on the pricing side. On top of that, the tablet is set to support Dolby Vision and the incredible Dolby Atmos. So we don't know the price yet, but it will be an amazingly feature-loaded tablet, especially for entertainment purposes. Anyway, the tablet is set to support a 9000 mAh battery, while the rest of the specs are still under wraps. But rest assured, I will keep you updated. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.